So same ra gyud siya atong kuan sini Panfilo Park. So it's in the heart of the city sa Almaty. So let's go KFC.
And then they were looking at each other. Meron sila mock ba? Something, and then they laughed at us.
Exceeded my expectation yun. While nag-research ko, I'm very excited yun. Pag-book pa lang daan ako, pag-research na ako, pagbuhat ako sa itinerary, I was very excited yun. And then everything exceeded my expectation. Morning, today is Sunday. It's our last day here in Almaty, Kazakhstan. So we're going to Green Bazaar again. Problem is we lost the ref magnet. Yes, we lost the ref magnet that we bought katong ni Adtomi dito. So we're going back just to buy ref magnets, and then we'll find breakfast there, and then coffee, and then mong laag mi sa Central Park. That's the last thing we will do here. And pagkahuman, before 12 dapat makabalik na mi diri sa moang hotel para pack up. Actually nakapack up kami start, and then napay ginagmay nga nahabilin. So yeah, ubanimi ninyo sa amoang last day here sa Almaty, Kazakhstan. Right now is if makita mo wala na snow.
By far the nicest
Yes.
day.
Yes, according to forecast, kasi gi-check mo gud ang forecast. So today is a sunny day. Tinuod yun, nice sun, and then wala na snow kayo sa dalan. So yeah, maghuwat na lang sa among Yandex. Already booked a Yandex. 4 minutes maabot na siya. And then among pamasahe is 1,480. Again, we're using this app para easy ra sa inyo pag-convert bitaw. So if 1,480
200.
kon sini tenge among bayad is that's 171. Di ba? Barato, no? So again, kaning Yandex Go is equivalent niya sa to is Grab. And notice nga Grab is mahal kaayo. So inani ka barato ang transportation here. So that's their bus. City bus. One last look sa amo ang hotel. So ni siya ang right side sa among hotel. That's our hotel kato. Astana Hotel. Actually daghan mig mga complaints, no, but we'll tell you later sa amo ang recap sa amo ang Kazakhstan travel. At bang sa hotel is kani building, and then intersection sa koan traffic lights. Usually dito man ni palakaw last time, and then diri nga side, and then diri we haven't explored this side yet, but so far nice kayo. So how's your day so far?
I had a very good sleep.
Good sleep.
And then magandit kayo ang panahon karon.
Yeah, we are at the bus stop right now. So nice kayo panahon dito sa
Magandit
isa.
ang panahon.
Sige, we'll update you when we get there sa Green Bazaar.
Hi everybody, we're back here at Green Bazaar. Kay mamalit lang niyo kanang gamay lang na pasalubong siguro.
Pasalubong.
Or not pasalubong, like ano lang.
Souvenir.
Souvenir.
Yeah, the last time we were here, if nakabantay mo sa second episode mo siguro to. Diri covered sa snow, grabe kabaga. And right now, at least, di ba? Asa man tagapalan ato last time?
So, cheap price.
Diya?
Medium price.
Diya, matanan ka price. Hala.
Mura na itong ganun.
Oh, palit rin.
500 dinar atlamam var mangdingi.
Amo, ako ang gipalit bitaw last time kani kinawala.
Kazakhstan
How much is that?
500.
500 pila to palit.
100.
Ha?
500. My square on This 800.
400?
400. No, this 400. What?
This one 400.
400. Blogger'sın be.
400.
Blogger ne demek adı? Blogger ne demek adı?
Kasi makitaan niya ito, no?
How about this?
All 800.
800.
More yes discount.
Only two. Only two.
Hatta gel Mayıs'ta da mı?
Same na siguro gyapon
Filipin'den
ako.
gelir mi?
Yeah, Philippines.
Manny Pacquiao hombre.
Yes.
Sunduk
Manny
boxta sarı.
Pacquiao.
Same ra gyapon akong paliton siguro
How
kanila.
did you know Manny Pacquiao?
Hele stop da.
Huh?
Siya ko yung mag-video.
Kanila
How much
akong
is
paliton.
this?
Aysa, mama.
Yeah. How much?
300.
Ganayo siya siya ang mugunit sa kanila
sir.
siguro. Pwede pagkaglain?
Ne? Oy, minimum oyna.
Sila 400?
400? No, no, 500 minimum price. Anajerde expensive.
Basta? Tagay si ate mo. Tagay si ate mo.
How much?
Oh, 500 minimum.
The big box man. Yeah, boy. Boom, boom, boom.
Yes, smoke.
Ano?
No smoke.
No
No
smoke.
smoke.
No smoke.
Nasıl var mı nasıl?
Kabalo ka unsa na yung smoke niya basig lahi na na. Sakpat makuanan ta. Issue ka. No?
Okay.
Kana?
Okay, 400. Go. Let's go.
Where? 400?
No.
This one?
This one.
400?
Nakapalit
Okay,
naman ko. Kana ba? Di ba gihatag
Wala.
kasi mo? Same lang imo?
Ano ko niya? It's quite expensive yung kanya.
Dubli. Kana na? Wala na? The last time we were here, kitadhan kayo mga Koreans. And
Go
buot kayo,
1,500.
buot kayo lang tindahan. Siguro, I think na misplay siguro na mo to here. After paying. Siguro after paying na misplay siguro na mo to dire.
This 400. Kazakh home.
Kazakh home.
That's a Green Bazaar. It looks like it's closed. Pero open na siya. Oh. You would see people. Oh. So, niya out. And it's like a wet market nga, dili wet. Dry market. Sa to, ang wet market is basa magyud no. Nya baho. I mean, ang kuan ba? Ang mga baho sa kuan baligya. Magtagol-sagol. Here, igsud bitaw nimo.
YouTube.
If nakakita mo sa previous episode, igsud bitaw ninyo kay wala ra.
Kanal.
Halos wala kay masimutan.
Hey, YouTube. Masa ka na may YouTube eh.
Wala YouTube din.
YouTube çok pa ne?
Medyo wala
Not yet,
niya
not
Facebook.
Net
Not
yet.
yet live.
Don't
TikTok?
Facebook
TikTok?
only.
No,
Only Facebook.
1000?
only Facebook.
Facebook no Facebook.
Wala sila ka
Instagram.
Facebook. Instagram sila.
Help.
Okay.
Blogger. Blogger ne demek?
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir. Good afternoon.
Nandito kami sa Sofia. It's like coffee shop.
Local bake shop.
And then no, kani siya no, kani. And then two coffee. Cost us 4,500 tenge. I think that nasa sa mga 500. Or 470 pa.
4,000. I thought 100 siya. 500.
4,500. Apple na coffee.
Apil ang coffee. Grabe ka to sa bread. Itaas lang side view na to. Mano sa namo niya mga coffee and bread for breakfast. And then adto sa Central Park. It's walking distance from here mga kuan lang, mga 11 minutes. 11 minutes na from here. So, wala man na siya so far. Ang atong first stop is Green Bazaar, breakfast, and then Central Park, and then roam around, get back to our hotel. Okay? Breakfast done.
Cheering.
Bread lang among breakfast. Pero busog kaayo and barato lang. So, after ani adto ta sa Central Park. Muna yung pinaka last na mga laagan diri. Kay wala na mo ni siya na atuan katong first time bitaw. Kay actually walking distance rin siya from Green Bazaar. Pero wala na mo na atuan because nag-snow during that time. Natugnaw na kaayo ba. But right now, dili mahimo nga dili na tumatuan. Kaya napamantay time, alas 12 pang check out. Unsa pa oras? Alas 10 no? Alas 10 pa. So, let's go. So makita ninyo here sa ilang park na may ice. And then nasa adlaw. Pero ang katugnaw dili makuan. Dili mapildi sa adlaw. So this is Central Park.
Yes, this is Central Park. Let's see.
Let's see
Why it's
insan siya.
called Central.
Yeah. Pagkita na ko sa vlog actually lapad din siya. And then awan ninyo. I think this is the last stop sa mga bus. Kaya daghan mga mag-park na bus. Here. Here you go. Woo. This is the entrance. Naslay ko ang gitawag na sa ni arc. I think during summer or autumn magkuan ni siya water diri. Pero karon wala. Oh, here. Nay mga buslot-buslot ba. So karon since winter man wala. Here we go. No entrance fee. So pwede ra ta makasud diri. Walay bayad-bayad. Yeah. To the left, to the right, pili ra mo asa mo. But for us, here ta sa right side. Look at that. Nay mga trees diri nga wala pa siya completely nalagas ang iyang kuan leaves. Para ani. Nakita nimo green pa. No? Green pa. And then here you will see a big board. Siguro ko ani siya map sa park. Entrance, di mo siya mabasahan. Dili siya English ba. So makita gini mo nga lapad ilang park. No? So wala kay kompetensya. Daghan kay mga bench here nga walay tao galingkod. Oh? So basically it's a big park ra gyud. Awan ninyo. Alright. Diba? So same ra gyud siya atong kuan sini Panfilo Park. So it's in the heart of the city sa Almaty. So right now wala yung katao-tao. May hapra nimo usa, duha, tulo. Wala. So let's go there dito. Nice circle diri. Tuma. Isipon ko sa katugnaw. Siguro nice dili magtambay nig autumn bitaw. Nang dili kay tugnaw, chill lang. Palit kag snacks dito sa Green Bazaar. And then lingkod-lingkod ka diri. Dadon nimo imong snacks. Diba? So that's the entrance kato dito. That's the entrance, and then kung straight ka sa entrance padong diri, you will see these mga kuan animal kani unsa man ni rabbit, and then kani unsa man ni I don't know unsa man ni lion sa lion ni hindi naman ipipod na taas kaayo. And then kanina isungay-sungay golden cup, and then diri wala nay animal kani lechon, and then kani sama ni uy I don't know kani rooster, this one starfish kani murag starfish, ang kani sa mali golden cup so same ato, ang kani di ko ilaan yung mga animals, and then snake, and then dito sa taas murag camel, yan na ay squirrel siguro sa taas awon niya murag hadlock man kay feeling nimo maganang inig tunog bitaw nimo kay mo andar. Oh, camel. Yan ay squirrel sa taas. Oh, nice kayo. No? So walay kompetensya. If ganahan mo picture, you can take your time. Kapila ka retake. Kaya walay kompetensya. So this is Central Park. Walking distance lang sa Green Bazaar. So after ninyo mag-visit sa Green Bazaar, palit mo tong mga katong mga ipakita bitaw namo ng mga dried fruits, mga seeds, ganahan mo, peanuts, almonds. Okay ra gyud kaayo. So daghang mga bench. Oh. Pwede mo kalingkod-lingkod. So right now gituyok ra namo ni just to show you unsay naa diri. Sa pagkakaroon mingaw gyud, this is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Hapit na kuan. Hapit na lunchtime sa Sunday. Pero walang katao-tao. Usually sa to family day no, Sunday. Here asa ka sila mag family day. Nargyapon sa balay, I don't know. So here, walang katao-tao. So, mag-chill sa amin dire, kadali. And then, we'll figure out asa mi next. Okay?
Bibilin to. Ang bonod.
Nahabilin? Sure ba? Riding na to ang kuan. So, pabalik na mi. We're done here sa Central Park. So, naghuwat na lang sa among Yandex. Uy! Oh, cellphone. Init eh. 985 BRT.
Pero oh. Was it? Ito ay.
Nag-book mi Yandex mabalik sa hotel mo, check out na ta.
Hello.
Yes, naka-check out na mi. We just left our luggage. And padumi sa KFC. Dito may mag-lunch kay requested sa ato ang bossing. Pero itong kuhan pa. May boss sa magkuhan lagi bossing, no? Kanila. Yes, last lunch. So actually, walking distance rin siya from our hotel. Ang hotel is dito. Mga 5-minute walk siguro, going to KFC. And at least matry na mo ba? Basin na sila something different. Let's see kung sa'y kuhan nila. Sini ka ng mga baligya. Para makita ninyo, that's KFC. Let's go, let's go!
Go!
Sa oras 12 no? 12 noon karon, 12 noon. So, ang adlaw dili kayo kuan sini. Dili kayo hayag ang adlaw. Unang maka-add siya sa bugnaw. So this is the intersection. Awa. So dili na nakadaghan nila mga sakyanan man here. Ingon sila heavy sa daw ang traffic diri sa Almaty pero wala man. Wala, dili na naka-heavy sa tuwa para sa tuwa ba, grabe. Nay congestion pero dili na nakakuan. Lala. Nice mo nilang transport system kani. Especially kaning double bus ato, double bus man to. So let's go KFC. Let's check kung sa'y naa sa ilang. Wala?
Ito sa pita.
Pitas? Ari agianan dire. Okay. Nananaw mi ganina sa butik before yari. Nya naasa day ni tapad nga butik. Later tanaw na to if napatay time. Oh, kabog now. Joke, dili bugnaw. Init. Nice. He pabo tai. He pabo taeti. I don't know sa pagbasa ani. Bisag kay basahon ilang kon. I think kuan siya self-service. No? Ikaw ang mo take sa imong order, ikaw sa damo kuha dito sa imong order. Not sure. But
English.
wala open man day dito oh.
Stop order.
Sige. Order. Dine in. English man eh. Bucket? Or kuan ra? Combo. Uy. Ay lang, bucket eh. Combo lang siguro. Duha ka combo. Ano ba? Burgers. 4,450? Pila mo ng 4,450? Kuha na ko guys, I'm using this. Kuha na sa converter. 4,450 500?
Suman. Ano?
Ego man natong money no?
Pwede na sa card.
Lagi pero as much as possible i-hot doon yun ang among cash. Pero
Suman. Kani? Chef cheeseburger box? Hindi yung kog mayonnaise.
lagi mo ni problema sa kuha. Karang barato rin sila ako 3-1? Okay ra ko ani.
May mayonnaise lagi na kay burger.
I-scrape ra nako. Kani
Kani, oh.
Kani Kenay chicken nga kuan ganan kuan. Wait. Kani. Burger cruncher. As is lang siguro. No add-ons.
Kung itong
Okay. Nice ilahang ko ano, machine in terms of pag-order. Pero awan ninyo ilahang place. Wala kayo tao diri sa KFC. And nag-order karon duha ra ka buok. I think naigibutangan diri, I think ko ani siya out of order. Kani. And then you can pay using your card here. Mili pa siya unsa iyang orderon. Na maablihan gid eh. Ito pa mini agi sa pikas. Ano ba? So ibutang sa nako akong bag here. Ngita mi bang pingkuranan. Okay, I think this is the best spot here. This one. Like that.
Hi everyone, this is our lunch and we're here in KFC. I'm gonna try if what's in KFC ka?
What is this?
Salad.
Salad? Yeah, chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, mine burger and
Wala na yung
fries.
siya ito
Dressing. Kaya di man ko ganahag dressing good, so i-request na dressing. The usual fries. So, mag-eat sa me. Okay? So, how's KFC?
KFC is good. Okay lang.
Ay mong gikaon kay salad.
Ah, I love it.
Salad pero kuan siya unsang itawag ni?
Hi mommy.
Fast food. Pabalik ni sa mong hotel.
Kamusta man po? Ganda.
KFC. Yeah. Among hotel dito. So, labang rami dito.
Asa mas papa?
Tapos siya. Saan ako?
Larga na mi tonight. Ato na mi
Sa
sa
Patron Medina. Kyrgyzstan.
Kyrgyzstan.
Babalik ni sa mong hotel, kikuha na mong luggage, then airport na dayon.
March 7 ulit na nami dira. March 7 na nami dira.
Kuhaan, sige, updated si mother.
March 7 tonight ato mig lain country na pod na ato mig Kyrgyzstan. And then pila ta ka days dito?
March 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 days.
O 3 days mi dito dayon. Last na mo ato mi sa Uzbekistan. Nawag bitaw kong service gabi eh.
Mag-amping daw mi kay Kwan daw.
Okay raman daw sila.
Nagubat daw sa Kwan.
Okay raman sila.
Middle East.
Yep. Look mommy.
Bugnaw kayo te. Isig na yung adlaw oh. Bugnaw.
Sun is up but it's so cold.
Naman mi gloves.
Napalit siya gloves. Wait,
Mulusot cute. Mulusot gyapon te.
Mulusot gihapon eh. We just checked out sa hotel namin. And then, padulong namin sa airport. We're just waiting for our Yandex to arrive. And yeah, we're up to our next destination and we'll be going to Kyrgyzstan.
Yes.
Tan.
Tan. Yes. Nakabuk kami Yandex among bayranan is 2,160. That's 250 pesos only. So imagine going to the airport. Ang bayranan is 250 pesos only.
160 no?
1,160. So, cheap no? Affordable ra ilang kuan transportation. This is our hotel. We'll give you the feedback regarding this hotel, if worth it ba, nindot ba. Maybe later sa airport we'll tell you. So right now, nag-wait me sa amo ang Yandex. I think ang Yandex sa mo is kuan diri. So kasagaran manggod taga-book na mo is dito. Need pa mi mo labang ba. Whereas katong diri nga side is kuan sini ka nang di na mi mo labang. So we got our luggage na and we'll update you sa airport.
Hi everybody. Welcome to Kazakhstan International Airport. We're on our way to our next destination. En español, por favor. Alright, so naka-check-in na me and we got our boarding pass, and then we're on our way to the immigration exiting Kazakhstan. Kasi kuha na to? 202?
Yeah, 202A. So cleared namin sa immigration.
Yeah, no
And
questions at
security check done. So we're heading to our gate 202A. So basically, kung inyo makita sa international airport sa Almaty. So if you are going back to the Philippines, diri ang airport ninyo. So if you're heading also to another country, so same airport lang gihapon. So right now mananaw si JP og pwede niya ma-shopping. USD ang kuan ano? USD na ang kuan presyo. Bas hindi mag-shopping siya, diri niya igastuson ang iyang money. Nga nahabilin. Nabay nahabilin nga kwarta?
Opo.
Gamay na lang no? Gamay na lang nahabilin sa among kwarta.
I like the perfume.
Kay dini ganahan magkuan sa ni ka nang mapa-exchange na bitaw. Hey roommates, our Kazakhstan adventure has come to a close.
Has come to a close. However, every ending has a new beginning.
But before that, before me will fly to our next destination, we'll just give you some recap siguro. What transpired in the last 4 days.
What transpired?
Yes.
Last 4 days.
So you may not be able to understand everything fully, but we'll try our best to share with you aspects sa travel based sa amuang experience so far. So far, generally, it was a smooth travel from Cebu going to Kazakhstan.
Yep.
So let's talk about food first. What do you think about your food generally?
Bravo.
Yeah, food choices, daghan kag choices gyud nga swak sa ato ang panlasa as Pinoy. So medyo we've been mentioning this in our previous vlogs that their food is dool ra gyud sa ato ang panlasa. So definitely you will love the food here and the price. What do you think?
Price is right.
Yes, barato ra gyud kay ang kuan sini ang price sa food.
Dagan pa man siya, dagan barato. Like,
Mm.
but as a first time siguro, ginam ka try o lami-lami pa. So, kana, nice kayo siya good. Nice ang experience. Like, from the airport, though challenge jud ang language.
Food pa itong istorya. Ha? Uy, hala,
Ay,
nag-ambag
dahil
na.
mabuti ka na.
Yes, food pa lang dalang yung istorya. Yeah, daghang choices and very affordable. And then, next is transportation. Transportation is seamless sa atong transportation, no? But one thing you will need to know before coming here is the easiest and very convenient way of for your transportation is Yandex. Yandex. They also have InDrive, but we recommend Yandex. But if napa mo sa Philippines, you cannot register sa Yandex because it doesn't send OTP. I mean, siguro they send OTP, but our numbers, local numbers sa Philippines, not able to accept OTPs. That's a problem. You can register, but you can't fully activate your account because it needs to have a local SIM card. So, mo namang gibuhat upon our arrival last Wednesday. So, we bought a local SIM card and then we finished the registration sa Yandex using our local SIM card. And by the way, that's 6,000, no? Yeah, that's 6,000 tenge or 600 something. Unlimited internet for 1 month. Dili pwede makaingon kag 10 days lang, 15 days, 1 month you see again. But if duha mo mag-travel is pwede rin maka-hotspot. It allows man, pwede rasad. And then what else sa transportation? We haven't tried their MRT or kanang train station.
I
Cause
think it's easy raman, wala ang train try siguro.
yeah, wala gyud mi naka-try because easier magud and convenient if mag-Yandex from point A to point B na ka dito. Unlike sa MRT siguro or ilang train station, need pa ka mag-walk going to the station and then from that station going to your destination, need na sa ka mo-walk. So might as well book na lang ka og Yandex since barato raman. Okay? And then communication kani. What do you
Very
think of their
difficult.
communication?
Like only few understands English good. Luckily, na yung makasabot ng English. Kaya siya. So you really have to be very creative, like you have to think good on how to communicate to them. Like any other places siguro.
Yeah, the simplest way siguro and with action pag yun. Like mo withdraw of money, cash, money or what? When we check the convenience store, nga ganahan mi mag-withdraw and we'll ask if nasa sila ATM or does the ATM have kuan sa English function option para mag-withdraw kay mostly ang ATM no walay English na kuan sa option.
Yes.
Katurag yun among nakita is kanang halik na kuan sa na bank. So whenever you see that bank sa airport or anywhere sa city, that's the best and safest bank. Pwede mo mag-withdraw using your using your GCash, GoTime or a local bank na to na kuan ATM. Pwede rin mo mag-withdraw. So in terms of communication, very difficult yun. Even sa kanang sa driver, lisod kayo sometimes kuan nami kuan encounter ganun but we'll talk about it. So kana sa mga drivers, very difficult. Pero kung naamoy app nga kanang mo translate bitaw, you speak on the app and then mo translate ni siya into Russian or Kazakh, ilang local language. So it will help good. Pero ako I haven't tried si JP, nakatry siya sa in one of the attendants sa cafe. Yes, and then signal sa atong communication sa internet.
I think okay naman. Nasiguro times nga makalit lang siya kawala but dali naman siya actually. Sa hotel na mo, I think I tried checking the internet connection. Like, naa siya sa mga 30,
Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi?
30 Mbps. So, okay din siya. I had quick meeting dito sa hotel. So, definitely workable rin nila ang internet. Nag-hotspot mo ko ni James. So, okay na sad. Paspas ako ng-internet.
So ako ang na-notice because we bought SIM card
Unlimited.
eSIM. Yeah. We aside from the unlimited nga katong sa local SIM card nila which we used for Yandex, we also booked sa trip.com eSIM for 3 countries na Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan. So for 3 countries sa Central Asia, that's about 10 GB lang among gikuan allocation niya 10 GB. That's 500 or 600 something lang for the entire travel na namo. 10 GB. So mo nang gitipid-tipid na mo. Ang akong nabantayan lang is ano man to pangalan sa provider 5G cell. I forgot no. Pero na dito sa previous vlog na mo sa airport, mo to among gipalit na local SIM card. Ako nabantayan lang sa signal niya is hinay siya ang signal. Pero ang Globe, partner sa Globe here na roaming, is kusog ilang signal. Patanaw ko, sa hilang ang roaming sa Globe or Gomo, kay Gomo man ako, is pas-pas palagi na ang signal. Pero ang akong local yung SIM card gipalit. Depende siguro sa provider, no, inana. Pero, yeah, kana ako nabantayan. And then, signal is quite decent ang speed sa sa data.
Yes.
Okay ra maka YouTube, pero kami wala kami YouTube. Okay, we were saving our battery magod during our travel. And then next we'll talk about tourist spots. So we visited katong mga sa city center lang ng mga spots, no? Katong church, Panfilov Park, there's Green Bazaar, Central Park, what else? Octobe, and then Shimbulak, Mideo closed man. And then katong canyon,
Yeah. Chana?
Sharin Canyon. So maybe naka-notice mo, anong wala man apil ang Sharin Canyon diri? It's because there's problem sa among file. Wala siya.
Paabot yung mga buwan before ni siya
So
magawas.
Sharin Canyon. And then what else at mong gikuan? Katong mga lakes, Candy Lake, and then Kosai Lake. What do you think sa mga lakes nila?
It would have been very, I mean, nindot man siya, beautiful man siya, but it would have been very amazing siguro if wala siya nag-ice. Okay. Nindot man siya, kay ice, but you know, white ang mo makita good. So, I think mas magawa sa niyang beauty if
Summer or autumn.
autumn or
Then
summer.
makita siguro hindi mo
makita
color,
nimo
no?
ang color sa lake.
How about the experience sa horseback riding?
You know, actually, I had fear. This is a trivia no? Sa kung app. Okay, nag-ride ko before when I was a little bit younger. Ride ko og horse before. The one who assisted me kay iya gipadagan ang horse. And then I almost fell. And then I hurt my back. So, nako'y feared na to sakay sa horse. I don't know, James, kung nagwakay ba si James, but when we had katunato ta sa Alboal, katong ilang doon, yeah,
Basta sa south?
katubang nag-pray ang fasting ta niya, you wanted me to sakay sa katong horse nila ni Don niya. I was really, napasalam, I was thankful yun, wala ko ni sakay yun kay, ang horse nila dito, nila ni Don, kay, very aggressive, like, nidagan, Judge. So, I had that kanang fear ba, so, diri na horse, at the back of my mind, I search man good about horse, and horse are empathetic, or kanang empath, not empathetic, sorry, but empath sila ba. So, maka-feel sila if you're anxious, maka-feel sila if you're afraid.
You mean the horse here?
Yes, the horse itself.
In general?
Yes, in general, empath na sila. So while nagpadong na mi dito, when James told me na kanang sakay bita og kuanhang kanang horse, mag-horseback riding, not without mo ito mag-walk na lang ko or something ana, but I was like conditioning myself na baka dapat ikamadyo kaya kanyang horse, ma-feel nila yung mga fear and everything. So pagsaka na po gyud, I was like trying to mask my fear, pero nahadlok yun ko nahadlok yun ko sa horse. Like, wala ko'y sulti-sulti, wala ko'y kanuan. I was really afraid. But you know, I kept on reminding myself, forgive me, tanaw lang ko sa environment, na beautiful kaayo, something ana. But, you know, ang track, mga good, it's uphill, and then downhill. It was snowing, muddy, so scary siya kay tungod ang horse, naka-pile sila down, ay naka-line up sila.
Yung doon lang sa bangin?
Connect ba? So, gihigot lang siya. So, mahadlok ko kay, ako una per me is like, what if no kay maslide ning
Slide ako sa kaming tanan.
So, kami
kuan
tanan dyan
kinakatali,
ba?
mga-
Oh, kami dyan tanan maslide. And then, remember, I mean, the way manggod is, kung ano siya, diri ka ng,
Bangin.
kanang cliff na ba? Nya, though na siya snow, but you know, Wag ko kay bawgod what's under the snow. Could
Kasi
be
kuan na dito no.
kanang taas na or something mga bato or whatever. So yun, yeah, I was thinking baka slide me maana ang horse, madatugan ko sa horse. So inaano akong imagination. So but I was already fighting it kay ma-feel mo good sa horse na mura kag na anxious, mura kag na kuan. And I think that's what happened to the previous, I mean not to the people who were in front of me kay katong guy mura mo good siya kay mura anxious and he was
Hadlok siya?
he was so scared. So yung horse pud kay mura kanang mo tong wa ni sakaba kabantay ka nga ginaog siya balik siya sa kaba. So it was like that. So yeah, naki-feel especially pag panaog na kay madi mo kay stanan. So
Pagsago lang snow, ang ice ug kanang mud bitaw.
so kanang
Overall experience sa horseback riding.
Nindot siya, no? Kung adventurous ka. I'm not really adventurous, pero
It's for the experience yun. Actually, pwede mo hike, but we opted sa horseback riding because of the experience. And then, next is cable car. Your first cable car is sa gondola sa Taiwan.
yeah.
Ako that's my first experience sa cable car sa
But I'm
gondola.
not really, kaniya, to be honest lang yun, I'm not an adventurous person naman. So, like, kanang cable car, something, naganan ko maka-experience, pero kanang like, if I am, kung ako lang to, I would have not, I would have not chosen
Yeah.
nga mo ride sa kanang cable car. Okay na jud ko maglakaw or whatever kay mas feel ako no mas kanang ganan ko sa peacefulness. But you know,
Sure ka, lakwan mo tong October.
no, of course
Siguro
di jud to na ako malakaw siya, but ganin siya. If ako lang to, siguro wala ko naabot dito sa Tumoy. Like I would have stayed in somewhere siguro in the middle or whatever. But kana siya. James was very persistent. Oh, yeah, let's ride. Something ay parang ako murag nakasuway na ko, okay na ko. Katong pag-abot na Madrid, nag cable car na me, and then sa October kay it was our second time na nag cable car. It was expensive. No, a lot more expensive.
Shimbulak ang
Ay,
pinakakuna.
sa Shimbulak po. Expensive siya, like 1,000 plus. No?
Pero worth it ang Shimbulak kaysa October.
Difficult magud sa kuwang part, guys. Kay naadyo kay kuwang problem sa akong nose. Like, kanang musakit akong ilong, ana ba? Mag-bleed siya if grabe ang kanang kuan kanang kabugnaw. So, dili kay ko ma-enjoy kanang grabe na ka taas na kayo do. Pag abot na mo dito sa second station ba to, nagpabili na lang gud ko. Si James, siya na niya dito sa third station.
Tapos pinakataas.
Ako kay sa
I
second
posted
station.
my picture pa dito sa taas.
Yeah, ako na lang isa sa ubos kay. Di na ako ganang musaka dito sa taas kay. Mura ko nalipong na ko dito sa second station, and then ma-feel na ko akong nose kay like kanang muna masakit na siya ba. So,
Sige. So,
Wala.
next question for you.
muli di ko
It is-
ikat sa akong explanation.
Okay ra na siya. Next is, Sani, describe the city. Your impression about the city. Nag-walk man kita sa ilang streets, no? Your impression, what do you have in mind? The whole experience while walking at night, during daytime,
One,
so that they will have an idea as well. Although nakita niyo sa video, no?
kung gabi Di ba ganin, gabi last night, kanang I told myself, di ba, if I were a resident here, siguro I'm a Filipino pero niani ko sa Kazakhstan to study or to work. Mag-enjoy siguro ko mag-walk at night. Okay, for me it's safe. Like the streets, kay kung wala lang dito ang snow, no, kay feel na ko nindot jud kayo siya. Nindot jud kayo ang streets Almaty during night time. Like nana sa akong Instagram, I really love taking pictures to sa streets kay it's so Instagrammable ba kanang
Left and right, asa ka mo?
kuya mo gud ilahang set up good kay before sa mga establishments or even houses kay naay ka ng kuan, naay ka ng ano bitong walkway, so tawag na
May
pathway,
space.
na siya space, na big space nga makalakaw ang mga tao, and then naadayin mo lang parking space, and then the establishment itself na dayon. Compared sa Philippines ba na? Kanang,
Halos mabanggaan kag motor, buwangan kag bike.
oh,
Ang imong
pathway.
kaatbang sa paglakaw ba halos
But
magbanggaan.
dili kay it's very safe, and then during nighttime, hindi to siya, ganahan ko, basig na yung mga dark alleys, kay si James, na-afraid siya last night, naglakaw mi padung sa atong gikanaan na restaurant ba kay. Namo sila mga restaurants nga musulod pa kag mga iskina-iskina, inana ba. But niya naay ka ng mga lights nga kanang naka-off or something na parang ako kay murag it's giving Harry Potter vibes. Ano bitaw niya. I love
Hadlok
Harry
sa tanawon kay murag close. Murag it's a narrow kuan ba? Sa ginitawag na sa alley bitaw pag kun mo na patay basi madunggaban na dere. But generally
Potter. It's safe.
safe ra gyud siya gyud.
Morning, kanang morning, I think bakit ko nag-enjoy sa morning, kay bugnom ko kayo, pero ganina, kay kuha naman ang sun, medyo okay, hindi pa siya, ang streets in the morning. Pero mo lagi ka ng as a first timer here sa Almaty, hindi ko siya maka-experience kahit snow. Siguro next time,
Dahil na sa season. Dahil na sa season.
Okay, mas gawa siguro ang Almaty itself is wonderful and beautiful in all types of season. So lain-lain siguro tayong mga kanang kuan ako I would love to see Almaty, the beauty of Almaty in its green face. Not in its white face. Okay.
But generally about sa weather
Weather forecast.
it's ako siguro it's 9 out of 10. Minus the very katugnaw. But generally 9 of 10 I like it. But I would like to see Almaty in different season na sa next time. Sige, next we'll talk about accommodation.
Okay na. Actually, our first night, I do not really expect did some accommodation because we've been traveling together for a couple of years now, and then we've only had like several times na we stayed in a very, 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 very decent hotel. I think atong nalato kay Taiwan, no?
Taiwan
Atong
sa Kaohsiung.
Kaohsiung, very nice kaya, and it's very cheap lang na hotel. But here in Almaty, I had no expectations exactly. Like, I had no expectations on sabi ko ni James. Like, kung ano dyan, literal, ano na ko, kanang go with the flow. Ano na ko ay, wala ko nag-expect ng good bang hotel. Basta ako lang is makatulog ko, makarest ko. Kay, when we travel mong good, kanang, kuan lang, amo ang motto lang is, we don't stay in the hotel, but we sleep in the hotel. So, bahala, gamay lang ang space. But when we arrive, though it's not luxurious kind of hotel, like modern hotel or whatever, but it has a decent bed, no? Ganang na is restroom, wala lay lock ang restroom, na ay heater, which is very important sa CR. But on our second and on our third night, we didn't have heater in the room. I think na naguba siguro to. So, we were sleeping in the cold, pero okay ra ha. Kanang nireklamo na lang yun ko on our third night. Kaya parang, I don't like it anymore. Namurag matunta. But the last night, no, i-fix na ang heater. So, overall, naa siguro sa mga 8 over 10.
Or 8 over 10. For me, siguro kaya ako magud ang nag-book. So, I have this expectation in mind nga not really modern, not really luxurious, but kanang decent place ra bitaw where everything is working fine, perfectly fine. So, it's a budget hotel by the way. We booked it like 1,000 or below 1,000 per night. So, although gipang read na nako ang mga comments no, it's a mix of mga positive and negative. So, I don't know unsa man ni ako murag nisugal na lang ko ba nga it's in the city center and then 2 beds. Wala say breakfast no. But ang ako sa mind rin ako is as long as everything is doing sinik ng fine ilahang mga sinik ka ng ilahang amenities, facilities, bitaw. Okay ra gyud, but ay medyo gamay siguro nga disappointment sa CR. Medyo guba-guba na ilang katong cover sa CR no.
Yeah.
And then isa pa man wala siya lock. And then ang cabinet is medyo guba na gyud. Murag sa panahon pa sunod ni Jose Rizal nga kuan nga cabinet. Daan di siya actually, including ang kuan gani ang suga, no? Upat man kabuok na inana murag chandelier bitaw. Upat ka inana usar ka siga. And then ang bintana is lisod kayo ablihan, lisod sa ilak. So sometimes mugod ganahan ni mag-open kay para naibugnaw, niya close na sad ana bitaw whenever you want bugnaw, so i-open na nimo. Kana it's difficult. Ang ilang mga sheets for the entire stay na mo wala sila nag-change. Wala sila yung room service no. They don't do housekeeping unlike sa Hong Kong, bisagwa mi nag-request i-open na gid nila limpyuhan yan. But here wala, pero generally ganahan pa ba mo book dito, i-recommend ba na mo sa inyo maybe not. So actually daghan patag mga choices sa Almaty sa in terms of sa accommodation, daghan pa mga choices nga barato and within the city center. But ako, I would personally not recommend Astana Hotel.
I mean,
For you guys.
the people man go down here, ang mga tao dali ba is like, they're not rude, they are also not, si tawag na, hospitable. Ay, si tawag,
Maybe in between,
oh, kanang,
because we
they
have
don't
this
initiate, man, like, they don't initiate saying hi, hello to you, like, they don't do that. Sa to abya sa Pinay,
sa hospitality
Pilipinas.
nila, no? Sa hospitality.
Oh, sa to abya diri kay, sa to abya sa Pilipinas no kay we initiate hi,
Greetings.
what's that? Here, like, wala gyud. Dili gyud, dili sila yung anak. Even sa kanang mga naadiri karon ka na sa
Like, good morning, good afternoon, welcome, or thank you, come again.
But you know, earlier sa Safia Cafe,
Asa to?
ang bartender or katong
Ay,
sa-
katong breakfast ng kanina.
he's very good. Like, makaingon jud ko,
Mm.
of all cafes nga mo ang na-visit, katong nga cafe mo ay murag hospitable.
O, nigawas
Ang
siya sa
vibes.
counter. Can I help you? Ano siya?
Yeah, kanang hospitable kayo ang vibe yun. Like, he smiles and then he asks if what else, o sa pa yung gusto, something ana, and then
Mm.
he assist jud ka. Ano ba niya? As compared to other K-brand, siguro okay ba? And then I have this encounter, nung ko na James, dito dito they laughed at us. I think, was it yesterday?
Sa CU?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sa
see you. And it was very cold outside, nag-snow.
Manita may kape.
Murag, pasulod ba kayo, I don't know, na-capture ko sa camera, pero happy ko ma-slide. I don't know kung nakitaan ba nila, that's why nakatawa sila. I don't know.
Na-notice na ko sila ni Katawa, pagsulod na nato, and then they were looking at each other, and then mura sila nag-mock ba? Something, and then they laughed at us. I mean, makibaw mo siguro tanong when someone laughed at us, makafeel mo dito. So I told James, dito let's go somewhere else. Something like that. But I tried communicating to them. Like, I asked them, do you have coffee? And then they said, no, we don't have coffee. Like, nasa may coffee nga, butangan, go hot water. But
Or
what I
inani.
want is, this is not.
Murag inanil ba, nakabutang na ang coffee din din
Oh,
hot
yeah,
water.
butangan lang hot
So,
water. Nasa lana, but di ko ganahan na ng murag 3-in-1. No, so, nasa may katong kanang, ay mo anan sa coffee, but coffee maker, but murag guba siguro to. So, yeah. Kana.
So, next question, actually this is the last. So, you've experienced Almaty, Kazakhstan, Almaty laman tano. So, what's next?
Yes.
For you, what's next?
For me?
Personally.
What's next?
Yeah,
For me, what's next?
Yeah, what's next for you? Ganun pa ka mabalik?
Ah,
Or explore
okay.
more? I don't know. What's next for you?
Actually, it's very expensive, dude. Like the fare, no? Kanang mahal jud ang fare. Though ikabot mo diri medyo affordable ang kapalitunon, it's like Philippines, ana ba? If I'll be asked if mabalik ko, yes, of course, mabalik ko. Siguro not winter na, dili na winter. Siguro autumn or summer, kanang mas ma-enjoy mo ang kanang para nako ba? Makitaan pa nako ang kanindot sa lugar bitaw sa. Kaya I'll come back soon. Why not? Soon. Pagtigom sa ta, like, you have to really work hard kay kanang wala, taga na mangutang para mag-travel ta. So, ano siya? Ikaw?
So, Asad, what's next for me? Same, actually. I love Almaty. Exceeded my expectation, yun. While nag-research ko, I'm very, very excited, yun. Pag-book pa lang daan ako, pag-research na ako, pagbuhat ako sa itinerary, I was very, very excited, yun. And then, everything exceeded my expectation. like maybe 9.5 out of 10. Walay bias niya. I really love Almaty. Of all the countries I've visited so far, food, everything, Almaty number 1 so far. So, what's next? Bubalik pa yung diri. Different season. And then what's next right now? Of course, visit mga neighbors nila nga mga country. Neighboring countries like Kyrgyzstan. That's where we were heading to. So Kyrgyzstan, and then after that Uzbekistan. So you will be seeing more videos from us, Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan, and we'll have a stopover sa Malaysia as well. So kana, what's next is thank you sa inyong support sa mo ang start sa mo ang vlog here. So siguro we'll stop our recording here sa Almaty International Airport, but napay continuation later ha when we land dito sa Kyrgyzstan, but it's a different vlog na siguro, but we'll end the Almaty adventure here. Thank you so much for watching our videos and for liking and subscribing and for sharing this with your friends katong mga nag-plan diha nga mo laag sa Central Asia, katong mga nag-desire, nag-dream, nag-unsa pa na naganahan sila mo kaari because it's not common for Filipinos with ng kaari because dagang challenges. But I'm telling you, if it's the right time for you, God will really make a way. So salamat and see you on the next one.
Rahmat.